my dear students. Om Asato Ma Satgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samarprabha Nirvignam Kurume Devo Sarvakaryasu Sarvada. Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Shanti. Good morning my dear students. Today I am going to take class for UKG, that is numeracy skills. Okay. In that I am going to teach you today's counting in twos. Counting in twos, right? Circle the objects in pair. Means circle the objects in pair means like this. These are called pair. The single and this is called pair. Single and pair, right? We need to circle like this, right? So here circle the objects in pair means pair, twos pair, right? I want to pair like this. I want to pair like this. Okay. So this I am going to pair like this. Circle in pairs means pair means two. Okay. Circle in pairs. Circle in pairs. So this is one pair. This is another pair. Here we can see this is pair again. The single and a pair. This is one and a pair. Okay. This is one pair. The single and a pair. Right. This the only one object is here. This we can see the one object. This here we can see the paired object. Okay, paired objects. You have to pair means two. Circle the objects in pairs, twos, right? So this pair I want to make. After this I want to make this pair. This pair again. Okay, this pair again. Right, again this pair of numbers, pair of objects, sorry, pair of object. Pair means two, right? So like this I made a pair of objects, twos. So again I want to make this pair. Pair, P-A-I-R, pair. Pair means two. Okay. This pair I want to make like this. This is another pair. Okay, this is another pair again here. Clear? Like this we can make the pairs here. Okay, and again here we can make a pairs again here. Right? This is another pair here. This is another pair. This is another pair here. Okay. This is pair of numbers or counting in twos. This is counting in twos. Counting in twos. Okay. This is twos. Pair of numbers. Counting in twos. 1, 2. This pair. 1, 2. This is the pair. 1, 2. This is the pair. Okay. Next we can have this pair. 1, 2. This pair. This is also one more pair. 1, 2. Pair. One pair. This is 1, 2. Pair. Okay. 1, 2. Again pair. Right. This another pair. Like this we made a pair of twos. Pair of twos. Counting in twos. 1, 2, one pair. 1, 2, one more pair. 1, 2, one more pair. Like this. Okay. Hope you have followed. It's very simple, right? Now we will skip count twos. Skip count twos. Skip count twos means here let us count in twos begin from 0. So this is 1, 2. Again I have to jump here. 1, 2. I have to jump here directly, right? 1, 2. I have to jump here. Twos 0, 2, 4, 6 like this. Okay. This is let's count in twos begin from 0. Okay. Count in twos column the numerals. Count in twos, column the numerals here. Okay, shall I count and write? Okay, 1 2, then 1 2, 1 2, 1 2, 1 2. So this number I have to count in twos, right? Then 1 2. The skip counting, these are called skip counting in twos. Skip counting in twos, 1 2, right? Skip counting. Clear? Skip counting in twos. Hope you have understand this. Again 1 2, you have to color this circle. 1 2, color the 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 circle. Okay, 1 2, color the circle. Okay, 1 2, color the circle again, right? 1 2, color the circle again, right? 1 2, color the circle again. 1 2, color the circle again. Okay, 1 2, color the circle again. So skip counting twos, 1 2. Skip count by twos means like this, we have to color after skipping two numbers. Okay, 1 2. 1 2, like this. Clear? This is called skip count. This is called skip count. Okay, this is called skip count by twos, right? So now again we have to write the numerals that you have colored. Write the numerals that you have colored. Okay, so here what all the numbers I have covered here is colored is 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 22 24 26 28 30 32 35 32 34 36 38 40. So that numbers we have to write it here. Write the numeral that you have colored. That numbers you have to write it here. So 2 4 6, after 6 I have colored 8, after 8 I have colored 10, after 11 I have colored 12, after 13 I have colored 14, after one skip counting, that is 15 16 17 18. That colored number, the color number is 18 there. 20, then 22, then 24, then 26, then 28, then 30, then 32, 34, 34, 36, 36, then 38, 40. Okay, so these skip count by twos means like we read the table: 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 8 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Like that's also skipped by 2. Skipped by 2. This is called skip counting by twos. Right? So like this also you can do that. I will teach you the tables, don't worry. Okay, so now here we have skip count by twos. Again we need to, let's skip count in twos. Begin with 1. Okay, here 1 3 5 7 9, like this. Okay, so now do this activity. Let's count in twos. Begin from 1. 1 2 is skipped and 3. 2 numbers are skipped. After 2 numbers 3 will come. 4 is skipped, 5, and we need to color the 5 here. Okay, color the 5, right? Color the 5. Skip count by twos. 1 2, right? 1 2. Okay, 1 2. Here let's count in twos. Begin it 1. Begin from 1. It will begin from 0. Right? So skip count by twos. Begin with 1. Right? 1 ರಿಂದ start ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will be getting these numbers. These are also called odd numbers. I will explain you later. Okay? So this again we have filled its color. 1 2. Skip count by 2. By begin from 1. Skip count by 2. Begin from 1. 1 2. Right? 1 2. 1 2. 1 2. Okay, 1 2. Skip count by twos. Begin from 1. Begin from 1. These are the numbers we are going to get. Right? 1 2. 1 2. 1 2. 1 2. Okay, right? So what are the numbers we found here? We found 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 17 19 21 23 25 27 29 and 30 31 33 35 37 39. These numbers we have to write it here. Write the numeral that you have colored. Okay, 1 3 5. Next is 7. Next is 9. Okay, 11, 12 skipped, 13 you have to write, 14 skipped, 15 you have to write, 16 skipped, 17 you have to write, 18 skipped, 19 you have to write. Right? That colored numbers already we have colored, right? That number we have to write it here. 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. Okay? Then 31, 33, then 35, then 37, 39. Okay, this is how we have colored the numbers. Skip count twos. Begin from 1. Earlier what we did is begin from 0. This is begin from 1. Got it? That's good. Next is skip count twos. Skip count twos. Right? Skip count twos. Skip count in twos from 4 to 10 and circle. 4 to 10 and circle. Right? 4 to 10. 4, 6, 8, 10. Right? This we made a circle and skip count. Clear? So next is skip count in twos from 8 to 16 and circle. Okay, this is 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Right? 1, 2, 3. Right? So 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Skip count in twos from 14 to 22. 14, skip count 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, then 1, 2, you have to circle this, 1, 2, you have to circle this, 1, 2, right? So now we have to skip the count by twos. Skip count by twos, right? So next we have a skip count in twos from 21 to 29, 21 to 29, right? So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So like this we have to skip count by twos from 21 to 29. Let's skip count twos from 3 to 13. 3, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. This is we did skip counting. This we did skip counting from 2's, right? Here we do skip count in 2's from 9 to 12, right? 9 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, right? Skip count by 2's from 9 to 19, 9 to 19. Okay, hope you got it. Clear? See the pattern here. See the patterns one more time. Skip count in 2's from 4 to 10. 4 1 2 1 2 1 2, right? This we have made a circle and jumped here. Skip count in 2's and 2's from 8 to 16 and circle. Here 8 10 12 14 16, right? Now here we can see is 16 14 16 18 20 22. Here we can see 21 23 25 27 and 29. Here we can see 3 5 7 9 11 13. Here we can see 9 11 13 15 17 18 19. Okay, so like this we have to do the skip counting. Alright, clear? Hope you understood this. Okay, the here is a calendar for the month of September. Skip count in 2's. Skip count in 2's. 2's and color in the begin from 1. Okay, here we have to begin from 1. Will we do? Shall we do? Alright, skip count by 2's in the September month. Begin from 1. This is 1. Right, we have to fill the color to the September calendar. So begin from 1 1 2. You have to skip count and complete the this one, right? 1 2. Okay, 1 2. Okay, 1 2. The skip count by 2's begin from 1 on the September calendar. The September calendar 1 2. Okay, right. 1 2 1 2, right? 1 2. Okay, 1 2 1 2. Okay, 1 2, right? 1 2. Here 1 2. The September calendar. Skip count by 2's. Skip count by 2's. Begin from 1. Alright. So next is the calendar is November. November. The November calendar. Okay. What the instruction is here? Here is a calendar for the month of November. Skip count in 2's and color. Begin from 2. What we have to do is, the condition is skip count by 2 and we need to begin from 2. We have to begin from 2, not 1. So this we have colored, right? 1 2, this we have colored. Okay, count, skip count by 2's, begin from 2. This number 1 2, number 8 we get, then 1 2 we get 10, right? Okay, 1 2. Okay, 1 2, right? 1 2. Okay, 1 2 1 2, right? 1 2 1 2, this number. Sorry, I have to color this. Instead, I have colored on 23. This 1 to this 22 I have to color. Then 1 to 24 I have to color. Right? Skip count by 2. Skip count by 2. Begin from 2. On the calendar, November. On the November calendar. Skip count by 2. Begin from 2. Okay. This is how we have colored 2's. Skip count by 2's on the calendar November. Begin from 2. Begin from 2. Right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30 numbers we get. So whereas in the September calendar what we did is skip count by 2's begin from 1. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27 and 29. Okay. This is how we have to skip count by 2's. Begin from 0, begin from 1, begin from 2. Like this we have begin from 4, begin from 8, begin from 14. So like that we can skip count by 2's and begin from 0. If you begin from 0, what you get, and if you begin from 1, what you get. That number you have to notice. That's it. Okay. Skip count 2's. Skip count 2's. Skip count and complete it. Okay. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 22, 24 and 26. Right? 1, 2, 3. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 1, 2. Second number you have to circle. 3, 4. Fourth number you have to circle. 5, 6. Sixth number you have to circle. 7, 8. Eighth number you have to circle. Right? 9, 10. 10th number you have to circle. Right? 10th number you get 10 number. Then again you have a 11, 12. 12 number you have to write it here. 13, 14. 14 you have to write it here. And 15, 16. 16 you have to write it here. 17, 18. 18 you have to write it here. 19, 20. 20 you have to write it here. 21, 22. 22 you have to write it here. 23, 24. 24 you have to write it here. And then 26. Right? So this is how we have to complete the skip count and complete. Okay. 12, 14, 16. Right? 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Okay. 26, 27, 28, 30, 30, 31, 32. So here you have 22, right? 22, 21, 22 item, 22, 23, 24, 26, 25, 28, 27, 28, right? 28, 29, 30, 32, 31, 32, right? Skip count by 2. 33, 34, 34, 35, 36, 37 you have to skip, and again 38 you have to write. 40, right? This is called skip count by 2's and complete the pattern. Okay. So here 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 40, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, right? 44, 45, 45, 46, 47, 48. Next we get 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So like this we get a skipped count by 2's. Skipped count by 2's. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. right? 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 49, 50, right? 49, 50 here. Next here we get is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18 you have to write, 19, 20 you have to write, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Like this we have to complete the skipped counting patterns. Skip count by twos. Okay, hope you have followed. Count twos and circle the numerals. Count twos and circle the numerals. 1, 2, 22, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Like this we have a skipped count by twos and complete the and circle the numerals. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46 and 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58 and 60, right? So these patterns we got it here, right? So next is write the numeral that you have circled. Write the numbers you have circled. What all the numbers we have circled here, that number we have to write it here. Okay, so write them. 22, 24, next we have circled is 26, next circle is 28, next circle is 30, next 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, right? 42, 44, 48, sorry, 46, 46, right? After 46 we get 48, 48, 50, okay? 52, 54, 56, that circle number is 56, then 58, 60. So like this we have to write the circled numbers here. Above what we have the numbers we have circled, the same we have to write it here. That's it. Fill the circles. Fill the circles. So fill the circles is 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Like it's not like that. 24, like count, skip count by 2. 24, 25, 26. 27, 28. 28, 29, 30. 31, 32. 33, 34. Right? 34, 36. So 35, 36. 37, 38. 39, 40, right? Like this way. Then 36, 37, 38, okay? 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, right? So like this we have to skip count by twos. 44, 45, 46, 47, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 56, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So this is what we have completed the pattern here. Clear? This is our skip count by twos and completed the pattern here. Okay. Now few more activities on skip count by twos. Skip count by twos. Okay. So some more activities on skip count by twos. We will do it. Right? Skip count by twos. Count in twos and circle the numeral 1, 21, 22. So here you start from 21, right? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, okay, 60. So this is the pattern we get. Now we have to circle the numbers, we have to write it below, right? The 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59 numbers we have write it below. We have to write it below, right? We have to write it below. So here started from 21, skipped one number, 22, 23 I have wrote. So above we have written 25, same number you have to write, 27, 25, 26 skipped, 27, 28 skipped, 29, right? Then 30 skipped, 31 you have to write, 32 skipped, 33 you have to write, okay? 33 after 34 it will come, 34 skipped, 35 you have to write, 36, 37 you have to write. So the same number above, what all these numbers we have circled, the same number you have to write, okay? But if you want to work more, you just count it like this, the number pattern you have seen, okay? So here 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, okay? Now 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, right? 57, 58, 59. So that number, the above circle number, we have to write it here. That's it. So now we have Tanya has done a skip counting in twos. Tick the correct one. Skip count by twos. You have to, if it is correct, you have to put a sign. Otherwise, no. Right? 2, 4, 6, 8. Correct. This count, skip counting by twos is correct. 11, 12, 13, 14. No, it's not correct. Leave it. 23, 24, 27, 30. No, it is not correct. Right? 31, 32. 31, 32, 33. Right? 32. Next 34, 35. 36, 37. Right? It is skip count by twos is correct. Okay? This and this correct and this are not correct. Incorrect. Okay, so now we have one more activity for the skip count by twos. Okay, count in twos and circle the numeral. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Right, like this we have to write the skip count by twos. Okay, now write the numerals that you have circled. The same numbers what you have circled, that you have 62, 64, 66, 68 number we have circled. Then 70 we have circled, 72, then 74, then 76, 78, then 80 number we have circled. That above circle number you have to write it here. That's it. Now we have few more activity. Write circle in twos, circle, count in twos and circle the numeral. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Write the numeral that you have circled. 81, 83, 85, 87, 89, 91, 93, 95, 97 here, then 99. Okay, this is how we have to do the count, twos count in twos, skip count twos, right? Fill in the blanks, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, right? Skip count by twos it is. 64, after 64, 65 will come, leave it, 66 you have to write. After 66, 61 will come, 67 will come, 67 you leave, 68 you write. Count, skip count by twos. 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 81, 81, 83, 85, 87, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 97. This is called skipped count by twos in twos, right? Clear? Hope you have understood the skip count by twos, right? Skip count by twos, and you do work with the skip count by twos. If just observe when you start skip count by 0, what the pattern we get. If you start for skip count by 1, begin with 1, you see what the pattern you get. Okay? Clear? Right. We have one more page activity on the skip count by twos. Hop, skip and jump. Kangaroo wants to skip count in twos. Help him by coloring the numeral. Begin from 1. First one has been done for you, right? So just see the kangaroo want to skip by twos. 1, 2 by leaving 2. It should jump on 3, then leave the 4 and 1, 2. You have to fill the color so that kangaroo will jump. We are going to help the kangaroo. Kangaroo want to jump from twos. Skip 2 numbers and count. Kangaroo wants to skip count in twos. Help him by coloring the numerals. Begin from 1. Right? Here, from here we need to start. 5, 6 you have to leave, 7 you have to write. Then after 7, 8 we have to skip and 9 we have to color. 9 we have, after 9, 10 we have to skip and color the 11. Here 12 we have to skip. Here 12 we have to skip, 13 the color the 13 number. Next skip 14, color the 15th number numeral. Then 16 you have to skip, color on 17th numeral. Color on 17th numeral. Then 18 you have to skip and 19 you have to color. 19 you have to color. After 19, 20 you leave, 21 you have to circle. 21 you have to circle. Then 21, 22 you skip and color on 26. Okay? Right? 24 you skip, color on 25. Right? After 26 you skip, 27 you have to color. Okay? 28 you skip and 29 you have to color. Okay? Next after 29, 30 you skip, 31 you color. 31 you color. 32 you skip and 33 you have to color. Okay? After 33, 34 you skip, 35 you have to color. Right? After 35, 36 you skip and 37 you have to color. 38 you skip and 39 you have to color, so that kangaroo can easily reach to the home. Right? Clear? So this is what hop, skip and jump. Kangaroo wants to skip count in twos. Help him by coloring the numerals. Begin from 1. First one has been done for you. Right? This you have to complete. Right? By this activity, we got familiar with skip counts by 2's begin from 0, begin from 1. Okay, just observe what happens when you begin from the 0, then what happens begin from 1. Okay, that difference you try to make it out. Okay, hope you have understood. I will wind up this session here only, and then see you in the next session. Okay.